In this tutorial we learn how to use revolve tool. First thing, we have this rectangular, let's draw on front plane, exit of sketch after draw and go to select sketch and make it revolve here, just X of revolution, select for example this X. Here we have rod. Okay, second example, it's this. If we want make cylinder, we can draw rectangular like this and exit of sketch, revolve. Here automatically select this rectangular and select X of revolution, this X. Here we can reselect this. Okay, here we have cylinder and we can edit the hole by here are 13, you can just make it 50 and exit of sketch. Here we have bigger hole. Third example is if you want use extrude cut, go to draw any shape, for example like this. I draw this by S. Exit of sketch, revolve, select sketch, and you can also go to here, revolve, select sketch from here, sketch 1, it's already selected, and go OK, and go to for example to plane, normal, sketch. For example we want sketch rectangular, here to make center line. If we want sketch rectangular shape, okay, and go exit of sketch. Here we have extrude cut, just select it, sketch 3 and extrude cut. Here we have the depth, sorry, it's not extrude cut, revolve cut. Select the sketch and revolve cut. Here we have degree, 36 degree, it's full revolution, and select the X of revolution, this X. Okay, select this X revolution, sketch is open. Here we can just for example like this. Here we have hole in this shape. Just that in this tutorial about revolve and revolve cut. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching this video. If you want to watch the next tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button. You can also visit my blog for more. You can also watch the previous tutorial